Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can generate text to audio by using Canva very easily. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, this is a sample video where I want to add the audio. So I need to generate text to audio. So I will show you how you can do this thing. Once we open our design or video in Canva, then on the left side we'll find different menus are there. From here, one of the icon is apps. We have to click here and the apps related options will be appeared here. From here we have to go audio. So there is the audio tool. We just need to click here and then it will open like this way. At the beginning there will be one section which is called Voiceovers. So we just need to go to this section and under here we'll see add AI voice. We just need to click here and the AI voice window will be appeared. Here there are a couple of options are there. One is text box and some voice. So here at first we need to add a text. I'm going to add some dummy text here and now I'm going to convert this text to audio or transfer this text to audio to generate the audio. And then we have to choose a voice. There are different voices right now Canva is supporting, so these are the options, but for this tutorial I'm going to choose English United States, this one. And then we have to choose on voice type. There are a couple of voices are there for US right now. I'm going to choose Richard for this voice and then we just need to click here and finally we need to press this button generate AI voice. So I'm going to click here and very shortly it will start generating the AI voice and it will be imported on the Canva video or design. And now if we try to play it, we'll see that the video is playing. We'll clearly listen of that video, I mean audio. So I'm going to play it to check whether it is working properly or not. Let's play.
True wealth is not measured in gold, but in the quiet understanding gained from listening more than speaking.
And I see here it is playing properly. So this text is perfectly converted to audio. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily convert text to audio by using Canva. Very easy way. Thank you guys for watching the video.